channel. Today we are going to be getting into doing this half up, half down. So just stick tuned and watch. I'm just parting, getting my parting right. It was just easier for me to do it on mannequin than do it on my head. And I wanted to make sure that I covered, you know, all the tracks at the back of this wig. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And I use my ear cuts as my guide. I have cut the wig so it fits perfectly around my ear, and those cuts is where I use as my guide to part. Now I'm just going in with a wax stick and a hot comb, and I'm gonna just make sure I really press that hair over and form it into the half up, half down. So yeah, I'm just pressing it, making it straight, making it really flat so it looks neat and organized. So this is the LuvMe wig. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will make sure that I leave the link below. It is a bomb hair tutorial if you haven't seen it, so make sure you go and check it out. So yes, now that I've kind of gotten the back where I need to be, it's time for me to work on the front. I am going to now start to use my wax stick and go in and press the front up into the style that I want so it looks neat. Now this did give me a little trouble. It was kind of hard for me to do this on the mannequin head, but then also it was hard for me to do this on my head. I think I just need more practice with actually doing half up or even just up styles on a wig. I typically just wear them down, but I wanted to just do something different today. So yeah, just take your time with this if you're new to this. And if you're not, leave me some tips below, you know, what I can do to make it better. But yeah. Alright, and now I'm just combing it up into the half up style. I used the comb just so I could comb through any kinks. I just couldn't find a way to get this right. I think I probably should have used some more pins in the front, but I didn't want to rip the lace on the wig by pulling it so much. And so I just did what I could, and I'm just going back through with the hot comb just to make sure everything is laying right and it looks very neat. And then I am going to take the hair out in the back, and I'm going to start putting curls in it with the LuvMe curling wand 3-in-1. It's also a flat iron that LuvMe sent me with the wig. I'm just using it to curl it. I really actually like this curler. It gets very hot. The only thing is it does snag when you rip the hair out, so you have to be careful in using it. But other than that, it's really good. I really like it. I use it a lot. So yeah. And if y'all want a video on how to curl your hair, how to do some big barrel curls, just let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to go ahead and make that happen for y'all. I am trying to grow my content and my audience, so please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So now I'm just putting the wig on. I'm just making sure everything fits. For this look, I did use the combs in the wig just to make sure that everything just looked right. Honestly, it made it, you know, just very secure. So I did use the combs, but I'm also going to go in and glue this lace down. And I'll show you guys what I'm using. I have been liking this new method that I have for gluing my wigs down. I've been using the She Is Bomb glue. And y'all, this stuff is so great. It's really edge like gel, but it lays the hair so well. It's a really good adhesive. It's easy to come off. You just use water to take it off. And depending on how you use it, it does not leave a white residue. So I really like this. And then the lace on this wig is really nice as well. It's super easy to blend into the skin. It is twist lace. So yeah, this wig is really nice. It is really easy to blend in. I mean, look at that blended, y'all. Like, for real, for real. On this wig, where is the lace? Like, this lace blends in so well. So yeah, if you want to try a wig, I definitely recommend this one. This one is very easy to work with. The texture is a very easy texture to work with. So yeah, now I'm just going in and I'm combing it up and making sure it fits my head. Where I position my actual ponytail. And I don't know, y'all, this was just hard for me. I probably should have tied it down in the front first before I went in to try to comb it up, but I wanted to make sure everything was really, really neat and nice. And I was struggling because you could still kind of see where I had parted the hair down the middle. The hair still wanted to split down the middle. So it was a little difficult trying to get it all blend and make sure everything was still laid down. So that's why I went in with that curler just to smooth everything out. And I'm just going to use a rubber band to put the hair up in a ponytail. Okay, and I'm just going back in with some of that She Is Bomb glue to lay it down, because when I was kind of maneuvering the hair, it did pull up. So I'm just going back in with that and just laying it down, giving it time to actually dry so everything stays in place. All right, and now I'm just going in and I'm using my Nairobi foam because it leaves, to me, I like soft edges. And it kind of leaves a soft look, and plus I didn't want to use gel on top of gel because it gets too cakey. So I'm just going in with my Nairobi and my little edge control brush, and I'm just brushing up my edges. Alright, and then I put a scarf on my edges just to lay everything down, and then I went back in and I was just, like I said, y'all, I was struggling with this half up, half down. I know it wasn't easy for me, but practice makes perfect, so I'm going to continue to hone my craft so that I get better and better. And so I knew I had pulled up some of the hair from the back, so I just went back in and made everything flat again and pulled it back up in a ponytail, and then eventually I had it up in a ponytail and I tried to do a bun with it, and you guys will see, but I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. And then I ended up just going with two, I guess, ponytails, two little pigtails. I don't know, it was kind of cute. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But yeah. I also think part of the reason I didn't like it is because, as y'all can see, that ponytail is a little thin to me. So I think next time I try to do this hairstyle, I'm going to get a longer and denser hair. Maybe something that's not Brazilian, because Brazilian is so sleek. Maybe something with some kinky texture. I might try this look with my kinky texture, my straight kinky wig. So yeah. I probably actually will do that just to see how it comes out, but I curled the hair and I was just playing with it. I was trying to get it because it was so thin to me, trying to get it to look fuller. I tried to tease it, but I didn't like it. I tried to do the bun and I didn't like that. So yeah, eventually I just decided to go with just two pigtails in the front. So here's the bun look. It wasn't that bad. Like I said, it just could have been fuller. But this hair had like hella flyaways, y'all. And now I'm going in with doing just the two. And finally I decided it was smart to just pin the hair up in the back so that I wasn't pulling it up into the ponytail. So if you're following this look, definitely pin the hair up in the back so it doesn't continue to, you won't accidentally pull it in with your two ponytails in the front. So Yeah, I just decided to go 2 ponytails, recurled the hair, and just left it at that because at this point I was tired and I had somewhere I need to go, run a quick little errand, so I had accidentally got it wrong. They were so uneven, so yeah, just take your time with this. I am a beginner. As I always state, this is a beginner-friendly channel. All my beginners out there, so if y'all like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Please share this video. And if y'all have any questions or anything, just leave it down below in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video.